The Tyre Sensors Not Detected message on your Ford Focus Titanium typically appears in 2013-2018 models. It indicates that the tire pressure monitoring system is not communicating with one or more tire sensors. You might see this warning on your dashboard, often accompanied by a tire icon with an exclamation point. This error usually occurs after tire rotations, sensor replacements, or when sensor batteries weaken over time. Each tire has a sensor that transmits pressure data wirelessly. These sensors can fail or need replacement. The TPMS in your Ford Focus is a direct system, meaning each tire has its own dedicated sensor that communicates pressure data to the vehicle's computer. The loss of communication between these sensors and the car's receiver triggers the error message. Modern Ford models may fix this automatically through over-the-air updates via the Ford Pass app. Older models require a manual relearn procedure. To fix the error, perform a TPMS relearn. First, ensure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure, usually 32 to 35 psi. Check the driver's door jamb for exact specifications. Next, put the car in relearn mode. Turn the ignition to on with the engine off. Without a dedicated TPMS button, navigate the instrument cluster menu to Vehicle Info, then TPMS, then Relearn using the steering wheel controls. Press and hold the brake pedal to enter the mode. Activate each sensor using a TPMS tool or magnetic wand near the valve stem. Start with the left front tire, then right front, right rear, and finally left rear. A horn chirp or flashing TPMS light confirms each activation. Drive the car at 16 to 25 miles per hour for 2 to 10 minutes to complete the relearn process. The system will automatically learn the sensor IDs. If the error persists, it may indicate a faulty sensor or module issue. Scan the car with an OBD2 tool for further diagnostics.